Hey guys, what is up? My name is Mohammed Satafashmi and welcome back to my channel. And this is JavaScript's lesson number 1, variables, part number 5. Past 4 videos on JavaScript lesson 1 variables have been uploaded onto my channel. You can just click here and let me play this song, bro. And go to my channel and check this out. These are, check the videos, check the playlist. So this is the introduction video. These are the introduction videos, and from here create a variable var lesson number 1 part 1. This was the part 2, and this was part 3, this was part 4, and this video which we are making right now is part 5. So this is the part 5 of variables, and on this we're going to learn about am I lagging a bit? No, I'm lagging for sure. Wait, let me check my camera. Where the fuck am I lagging? Hi, hello. I'm kind of lagging, right? No, it's okay. Kind of lagging. Fuck, I'm done with this. Whatever. So in this video we're going to learn about increment and decrement operator. What are they? How they differ from these assignment mathematical operator. This was the previous video we learned about mathematical assignment mathematical operator. This is called addition assignment, this is called subtraction assignment, this is called multiplication assignment, this is called division assignment. All right, don't worry. If you have no idea about what is going on, chill, sit back, relax and see, and where I'm guiding to, go there. Take out all of you guys who are watching this, don't watch it just for the sake of watching, for having fun. Take out your PC, laptop or whatever you have and start coding with me. All right, first of all you need this website open, this current website I'm using, that is codeacademy.com. You can go and log in, sign in, and whatever you can do with it, sign in with Google, whatever, and come up to this page. This here is the code editor, this here is the console panel, and we do want free code cam open on the next tab. Why? Because it's helpful, it's useful. We just we just need this this upper region and lower region. This upper region is the code editor and the down region is the console. Here we type code and here we get the output. TSFS is now defined. This is the console and this is the code editor. All right, so let's begin. Let's take some deep breaths and calm down and let's get into this shit. Okay, first of all we have the increment and decrement operator as a heading, right? Let's read through the theory first. Other mathematical assignment operators include the increment and the decrement operator. What is the increment operator in terms of symbols? That's plus. This plus and plus basically means assignment operators. When they are together, they are assignment operators, and when we have minus together, they are called decrement operator. All right, decrement operator. Here on this code editor we are given gained dollar, a variable which is defined using the let keyword and which is assigned a value of 3. 3 has been assigned a value. 3 has been assigned to gained dollar, the variable. And on the line number 2 of this we have lost dollar, this variable defined using the same let keyword, and which is equated to 50, or say 50 has been assigned to lost dollar variable. All right, okay. The increment operator will increase the value of the variable by 1. All right, this just increases the value. We cannot say it adds a value, it just increases. You can, what do I mean by that? You can get 5 by subtracting 1 from 6, and you can also get 5 by dividing 10 by 2, right? We are not actually adding something to get a particular result, right? So basically increment operator, it just doesn't add a thing. Basically it somehow increases. We are not following addition operator here, for sure not. What do I mean by that? I'll give you with an example. For now, just remember with what I'm covering. The increment operator will increase the value of the variable by 1. Not necessarily just by adding 1. I would say not by adding 1 basically. It just increases it by 1. Why am I emphasizing so much on this? Later on see. Because it helps us understand the difference between what is increment operator, what is addition operator, and what does it mean reassigning a variable by adding 1 to it, and the variable being present while we are adding 1 to it. What do I mean by these three? I'll say all of this, explain all of this in this coming video, in the coming part of the video. For example, let a equals 10, and when we increment it, okay, let's see, we'll try this out. All right, we'll try this out here. Okay, not use that. So let's comment this part out. Commenting the code out, will help us to see this, will help the computer see this as a comment. The computer would not read it and try to produce an output out of it. Look, there is no output out of it because this has been commented out. All right. So we'll define a variable using the let keyword. This is the let keyword. We'll equate it to a value 10. All right. Then we will use an increment operator. What is an increment operator? Very easy, bro. Plus, right? So first of all, we'll write on the left hand side the variable's name. What is the variable's name here? A. Yeah, it's A. Then we add 2 pluses. Plus. Basically, this does the job. It does the job. Now, if you want to see if this A has been incremented by 1, if it's incremented by 1, that should be equal to 11, right? Let's see, console.log the A. So let's see. So we get an output 11, right? Basically now A is assigned a new value, that is 11. Initially it was 10. We have reassigned the value of A to 11 now. All right. Now I'll show you a very interesting case. For now, should we comment it out? Now we'll use different name of the variable. We'll use let keyword, we'll use B, and we'll equate it to, let's say, 15. All right. So basically B has been assigned a value of 15, or 15 has been assigned to B. All right, then we will use B++. So for sure, console.log B, we know what would it print out? Prints. What happened? Why is it lagging? Prints. Why the fuck is the camera busy? Why? Stop. Connect. Why the heck it has to happen? Oh, okay, we'll try again. Not gonna try again to connect the camera. Yeah, we are connected. So yeah, it would print B equals, it would print what? It would print 16, right? Let's see. So yeah, it produced 16. Okay, interesting. All right, we'll comment this out and we'll try to do the same. We'll try to produce the same result using something else. What do I mean by that? Isn't it similar? When I say B plus equal to how much? 1. Will not it give the same value if I console it out? Let's see, console.log, and we type in B there, and we see, yeah, we get 16 as an output. Same. So basically this also prints 16 as an output. All right. Let's try to do the same thing with something else. Now B plus equal to 1 can be written in some other way, right? We know that, right? This is the shortened operator, right? Shorthand operator. We shouldn't use that. Well, we are not going to use it right now. We're going to use something else to produce the same result. We're going to use the long method. We're going to decompress this code written above this very particular code to get the same result. We're going to put b, we equate it to b plus 1. Now this, okay, you see this, b equals b plus 1. Then we will console.log this, we're gonna put b there, so we also get the output 16 here. Here also we get 16 as an output. Do you see that? Do you see that? Interesting, right? Now I'm gonna show you a mind-boggling thing. Now you guys would be thinking b plus equal to 1 and b plus 1 are the same thing. No, let me show you why. Let's consider a different variable. Let's say we are using the keyword let's say we are using, say, y, and we are equating it to a string this time. We are instance of string or example of string this time. Let's say, can it be my name? Yeah, let it be my name. Okay. All right, then we'll try our first method. First method was trying to increment it. Let's see, can it increment y plus plus? I'm sorry, y plus plus. Okay. Console log, and we put y there. Then what it should print? Guys, what it should print? NaN? Do you think it's a valid result? Yeah, because we cannot add 1 to this text. You're wrong. You're so wrong. We can add 1 to a text. We can surely add that. I cannot get you. Then wait, let me show you again. Let us console this code out. Comment this code out. And if we don't even comment, that would even work, because this will not hamper our next code we are about to type. You can type y plus equal to we're gonna use a number here, right? The same number, 1, right? Now let's see the output. Console.log, and we type in y, and we expect what? Look. So look, can you look at here? Sadaf 1 without a space. Do you see? Do you see that? For some reason, this 1 was converted into a string, and it was added. It was added to Sadaf. Making sense to you guys? Is it making sense to you? For me, it's making sense. All right, let's let's comment this code out even. For now, just keep one thing in the mind, that is concatenation. Concatenation, that is adding strings together, into series. For now, just keep that thing in the mind, that it is a thing, right? Okay, let's try our last thing here. That is y equals y plus 1. That is basically a decompressed version of this very code, of this very addition assignment, right? So consoling it out, console.log, we put y there, and we say print prints what? Sadaf, print Sadaf 1. Yeah, it does. Basically this and this produces 1, but this doesn't produce 1. Where did it go? This doesn't produce 1. Why? Because this is not addition. That is what I was trying to make a point. The increment operator is not addition. Please, it's not adding 1. It's not equal to, plus equal to 1. It's not. Plus operator is not same. Okay, you should consider it as a different operator itself. All right, it's not adding 1. No. All right, even you can say it's adding 1. Then the 1 which is used here It's not converted into a string. It can never be a part of concatenation. You know, can never be a part of this. Okay, this wasn't even necessary, right? All right, let's chill about this. Let's come to this part of this. Okay. Now we learned how to do this. Now we're gonna the same thing applies to this also. You know, minus minus operator, or say minus minus, or say a decrement operator is not same as minus equal to operator, or is not same as, you know, the same way. But one thing also should be kept in the mind is that in the concatenation of strings, addition is always used, right? We can add strings together. We cannot subtract strings or multiply or divide strings or modulo strings. We can never do that, right? So here such case is, you know, not even considered, because we all know key numbers, concatenations, strings cannot be subtracted, right? In concatenation, strings cannot be subtracted. So here is that case isn't valid here of, you know, this being something else and plus equal to being something else. Okay. Fuck. My legs, they're aching. Whatever. Just like the previous mathematical assignment operator, addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, the variable's value is updated and assigned as a new value of that variable. Basically, these increment or decrement operators, basically they reassign the value of a variable. All right, so for now this is easy, right? It's going cool, right? And yeah, one more thing, this increment and decrement operators are used in, like, look at this. This is the for loop, right? We know nothing about loops, and I don't want you to even know anything about loops for now. So basically in loops we have the third condition, or whatever you call it. We have an increment operator used here, and we can even use a decrement operator too. But basically the point is, in this for loops, increment and decrement operators are used, which we are learning right now. So, you know, where are these increment operators used? I don't know, was it a valid question? There are no questions on this forum about this topic. That's a good thing. It will not take more time then. I'm tired as fuck. Let me play this music for a while. Chill. Come back. Bhai tera hai, come back. Yeah. Using increment operator, increase the value of gain dollar. So basically using the let keyword, gain dollar, you know, what is this gain dollar? A variable has been defined using the let keyword, and which has been, assignment operator equal to assignment operator, or say equal to, is being used to equate gain dollar, the variable, to a value 3. Basically the gain dollar variable has a value 3, right? And same with loss dollar, which 50 has been equated to loss dollar. Making so much sense. So using the increment operator, increase the value of gain dollar. What does this mean? What is increment operator? Plus? Yeah. And what is the line? It's saying using the increment operator, using plus, increase the value of gain dollar. We can do that. So gain, DOLLAR. Oh, sorry, we have made a mistake. Spelling mistake. Type gain dollar plus. So basically, let's see, console log, we'll type it gain. Why do console these things out, right? We console these things out so that to know if that code we typed, it worked, or is there any typos. So yeah, it was increased. So initially it was 3. It was reassigned a value of 4 using the increment operator. Increment operator increased this value by 1. It didn't add, it just increased it. Somehow, we don't know. Alright, let's move forward. We'll do. So using the decrement operator to decrease the value of loss dollar. Basically it's saying decrement. Now this is the decrement operator. We need to use this for a predefined, variable loss dollar. We can see here it's already defined, to decrease it to 50 minus 1, basic, or not minus, to decrease it with 1, that is 49. So we'll do we'll do it lost dollar minus. So we'll console log lost dollar. That's it. So it's working. It was decreased by 1. So it's working, bro. It's working. Hopefully I made the points very clear. Basically my point was a increment operator and plus equal to 1 are not same, are not same, are not same, are not same. Are not same because there is an exception for strings. When you do it with string, it will show NaN, and when we are doing with string with the addition operator, addition assignment, it shows set of 1, or say name 1, or it adds 1 to the string, and it makes a string with an operand value of 1. Appending value of 1. My head's cracked right now. So before we leave, I would like to tell you guys, okay, this looks like an ASMR right now. Whatever. Consider subscribing my channel, bros. It's 126 subscribers till now. Increase it, bro. Increase it to like 4K subscribers so that I could get even monetized. I want to just try my luck into freelancing and shit, bro. Making it a full-time work and like, life is very depressed. Honestly saying, it's very depressed. If you can't get anywhere, you get nowhere. This not ending loop of doing one thing and leaving and going to some other thing and doing something and then coming back to it. This loop is so fucked up. See you soon, guys. Love you. Bye. See you soon.